tired of juggling appointments, scribbling notes on napkins, and feeling like your business is running you instead of the other way around? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of home services, staying organized and efficient is the name of the game. Imagine having a crystal-clear view of your team's schedule, knowing exactly who's going where and when, all without the headache of endless phone calls and frantic last-minute changes. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that dream is within reach? Today, we're diving deep into a powerful tool that can transform the way you manage your workload and reclaim your time. Housecall Pro's job scheduling feature. Whether you're a seasoned Housecall Pro user looking to level up your scheduling game or just exploring how to bring order to your growing business, you're in the right place. Think about it. How much time do you currently spend each week just figuring out who does what and when? Chasing down availability, dealing with double bookings, and trying to squeeze in last-minute requests can eat up valuable hours that could be spent growing your business, serving your customers, or even just catching your breath. That's where efficient scheduling comes in. It's not just about filling slots on a calendar. It's about optimizing your resources, improving communication, boosting customer satisfaction, and ultimately, increasing your profitability. Housecall Pro understands the unique challenges of the home service industry, and their scheduling tools are designed with you in mind. It's intuitive, it's flexible, and it's packed with features that can streamline your entire workflow. So, are you ready to say goodbye to scheduling chaos and hello to a more organized and efficient business? Let's get started. The first step to mastering job scheduling in Housecall Pro is understanding the different ways you can create a new job. You can initiate this process from several key areas within the platform, giving you flexibility depending on your workflow. One common method is directly from the Schedule tab. Once you're in the Schedule view, you'll typically see a calendar layout. Look for a button that says something like New Job, Add Event, or a plus symbol, icon. Clicking this will open a new job creation window. Alternatively, you can often create a job directly from a customer profile. If you're already viewing a specific customer's information, there's usually an option to create new job or schedule service associated with their account. This is particularly handy when a repeat customer calls or you're following up on a previous service. Another entry point can be through the inbox or leads section. If you've received a new inquiry or confirmed a booking via these channels, you can often convert that communication directly into a scheduled job with just a few clicks, eliminating the need to re-enter customer information. Once you've initiated the new job creation, you'll be presented with a form to fill in the essential details. The first and most crucial piece of information is, of course, the customer. You'll be able to either select an existing customer from your database by typing their name or address, or add a new customer if this is their first interaction with your business. Make sure to accurately input their name, address, phone number, and email address, as this information will be vital for communication and service delivery. Next up is the Job Details section. Here, you'll specify the type of service required. Housecall Pro often allows you to create a service catalog, making it easy to select predefined services with associated pricing and descriptions. If it's a unique job, you can manually enter a description of the work to be done. Be as specific as possible here to ensure your technicians understand the scope of the job. Now comes the heart of scheduling, setting the date and time. You'll typically have a calendar interface to select the desired service date. You can often specify a start time or an arrival window. Providing a time window, e.g., between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m., can be more convenient for both your team and the customer. You might also have options to set the estimated duration of the job, which helps with resource allocation and subsequent scheduling. Assigning the right technician to the job is crucial for efficiency and customer satisfaction. Housecall Pro allows you to view your team's availability and assign the job accordingly. You might be able to filter by skills or location to ensure the best fit for the task. Some advanced features might even offer automated scheduling suggestions based on technician availability and proximity to the job location. Don't forget to add any relevant notes or attachments. This could include specific instructions for the technician, access codes, photos of the issue provided by the customer, or any other information that will help them complete the job successfully. The more information you provide up front, the smoother the service delivery will be. Finally, before saving the job, take a moment to review all the details to ensure accuracy. Double-check the customer information, service details, date, time, and assigned technician. A quick review can prevent costly errors and ensure a positive customer experience. Once you're confident, hit save, and the job will be added to your schedule. But the power of Housecall Pro's scheduling doesn't stop at simply creating jobs. It offers a range of features to help you manage and optimize your schedule effectively. One key feature is the visual calendar view. This provides an at-a-glance overview of your team's schedule, allowing you to see who is booked when and where. You can often customize this view by day, week, or month, and filter by technician or service type. Drag-and-drop functionality is often available, making it easy to reschedule jobs or reassign technicians as needed. Color coding can also be incredibly helpful in visually distinguishing between different job statuses, service types, or technicians, allowing for quick identification and better organization. Effective communication is paramount in home services, and Housecall Pro offers tools to keep everyone in the loop. You can often set up automated notifications to remind customers of their upcoming appointments, confirm booking details, or even alert them when their technician is en route. Similarly, technicians can receive notifications about their assigned jobs, including all the relevant details and any updates. This reduces no-shows, improves customer satisfaction, and keeps your team informed. Housecall Pro also understands that schedules are rarely static. Things change, customers need to reschedule, unexpected issues arise, or jobs take longer than anticipated. The platform provides tools to easily modify existing jobs. You can adjust the date, time, assign technician, or service details with just a few clicks. The system often keeps a record of these changes, providing valuable insights into scheduling patterns and potential bottlenecks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.